inside. Under magnification, the glass tells a story. Ridges from a fingerprint sweep across the surface, each ridge holding a trace of natural oil. Tiny flecks of dust rest like boulders in a desert, and the smallest fibers stretch like cables over a canyon. Some of the particles scatter light
animated. This is the same optical lens, before and after proper cleaning. On the left, dust, oils, and microscratches scatter light and block nearly a quarter of the signal. Under magnification, the contamination layer is obvious. On the right, the surface is flawless, anti-reflective coating intact.
Purified water, micro, filtered to the size of a virus, cascades over every surface, sweeping away anything that doesn't belong. Then, filtered air takes over, controlled, directional, and completely